Going in?
Daddy jumped in. Hold up. What's good, guys? What's good? Just here at Casino Swimming Pool, guys. It just opened up about like a week ago. So yeah, just waiting on Island and hubby. He's just gone down to the toilet. And yeah, it's been a while, eh? It's been a hot minute. We haven't been really vlogging much at all, actually. We've been so busy. So yeah, that's what's been happening, guys. The pool's open and we're gonna have a chat with hubby when he comes back into the pool. Here they come, guys. Daddy and Island.
Look at it. Where's mommy? Yes, sir.
So guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yeah,
Your girl Maria.
the island boy there. Both island boys here.
2 islands, yeah.
We're at the casino pool.
Yeah. I kind of did a little talk. It's been a quick minute. It's been a quick minute that we haven't been on, guys. So yeah. We haven't been charging. We've been recharging our batteries. Hey, babe?
Yeah.
We've been recharging our batteries. Whoa! Daddy and Island.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's not salt water. It's not salt water, Island.
It's okay. Look.
Island. It's
Who's
not salt
that
water.
boy?
La 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 la.
It's okay. It's just water.
Who's that boy? Island boy. Island boy. What are you gonna do? You gonna show your muscles? Where are your muscles? Whoa! Look, his muscles, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yes, as I was saying, this pool. Tap 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 tap. This pool opened up about a week ago, and yeah, so as I was saying, you know how I was saying, like I thought it was undercover because if you look at the,
It's like something can roll
or is
out.
that like a pool cover? Because I don't,
Oh, it could be.
like, you know how like when it's winter and they close the pool, could that be a pool cover? Because I thought it was going to be like overcover because it's really hot here in Casino and people be burning like me. So yeah. Go Island, quick, kick those legs.
I'm a swimming shark.
You're a swimming shark. Look at the shark go.
Look at the big shark.
Is this baby shark? Yeah?
The baby shark. Oh, I don't know about baby anymore. He's not a baby. Everyone's saying he's growing up and to be a handsome boy.
Yeah.
I need to swim.
You need to
Cannot
swim?
swim on your own.
You can't swim on your own. You want to come, Mummy?
Yeah.
Alright, come, Mummy. We swap.
Oi, oi. A beautiful pool.
Kicking. You gotta kick those legs. Whee! Oh yeah. Got water in your face. Hold up. Remember I taught you the other day? This way. You were pushing Mummy, kicking. Head on my back, head on my shoulder, and you're gonna kick. So kick. What's wrong, son? What's wrong?
You gonna go with them again?
No, you kick the
They're
legs,
gonna go
kick the
double
legs.
shift.
This way, we'll go this way.
Alright,
Go on.
Riley, make
You're
sure
pushing me. Pushing me. Whee!
Nice.
So where's your muscles? Show everyone your muscles on YouTube. YouTube, he says. YouTube.
Kiss the muscles.
Where's the muscles? What?
Kiss the muscles.
Where's the muscles? Kiss.
Oh shoot, can you feel this?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, that's wicked. It's like the water coming up.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, that feels. Yeah. Turtles.
Alright. Go. You wanna swim together? Alright, you come back to Mama, swim. It's deeper down that way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys, we've been busy working. Busy. Yeah, so we hardly get time for posts
And
these
sometimes we just get lazy too, you know, tired from work and things.
days. Yeah,
Don't really want to be
true.
vlogging every day.
Yeah, don't have the energy for a while.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah, man.
Mom.
But that is that.
Mommy.
Maybe you guys, you can give us some suggestions of what you would like us to do video-wise.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I want to go there.
You won't go there?
Yeah, and slide.
And jump.
Oh, it's not for
Oh
you
no,
yet.
it's broken. The slide's broken.
Look
You see? Yeah, they broke it. The boys, they broke it.
Yeah, they broke it, so
Can't
it's
go
not
on there.
working.
Can't work yet. Yeah, when it's working, you can go. Right now, it's not working. Can you see anybody using it? You watch it. You look at it, and you tell me if you can see something or somebody coming down the slide. He wants to go on that slide, guys, but it's been out of order. I don't know why. Maybe safety, something with a safety issue. Again, ready to stand up and you jump off. 1, 2, 3, jump! Good boy! Ready again. We waited to see Mummy. Mummy is watching him, like, because he won't jump unless I'm like got my eyes glued on him.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're gonna jump. Careful, don't bump your head. Don't give the water. Alright, calm down, and put your legs there.
Cold?
Cold? You cold?
Really, mister?
Shopping. What do you want? Noodles. What? Chicken. Nuggets. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. I can only really swim, but I still can. They take swimming lessons. What you doing? You coming? Coming? Whoa! Put your legs on there. Come on. Hi guys, welcome back again to the Island family. Like I said, it's been a while. It's been, you know, a quick minute. We haven't been vlogging, but you know, sometimes things get busy and stuff, so life is such. It's like some people don't watch us for a long time, and then because they're so busy and they got family things going on, and then they watch us, and you know. But anywho, we're going now. We finished the pool. The pool was actually really good, really good for the body. It's nice to get in there and just, you know, swim about and have fun.
Feel energized, re-energized.
Big time. We're energized. And we've got Island here, eating fairy floss. Yep. So we kind of left as well because Island was being a little bit fussy, as he does, but we didn't want to stay there too long anyway. I've got work this afternoon, so Babe's got a long weekend, so you know, who knows, maybe tomorrow we'll find something else to do. Wanted to take Island to the movies, so we'll see if that, watch Paw Patrol, so we'll see if that goes down.
Watch Paw Patrol in movies.
And the movies, that's it. Anyways, guys, yeah, so now we're going to go and quickly grab something to cook for home. Both me and Babe feel like salmon, so we're just going to go grab some salmon. So that is it, guys. So thank you for watching.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Bless up.
Bless up.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Bless up.
Bye, guys.